out this Bazaar night market, and it looks pretty legit. We've been trying to find one ever since we went to Old Town Phuket. So hopefully we can get some nice street food, and yeah, and that's us. I swear you never like to talk when I have the camera on, huh? You don't like to talk when I have the camera on?
Yeah.
Huh? Yeah.
What do you mean? I don't like to talk.
You don't like to talk, like you don't, like you're in the vlogs, you never like to talk, huh?
Yeah.
Why not?
I'm shy.
You're shy.
Show them the reindeer.
Oh yeah, look at this. They made this from scratch. It's pretty cool. Okay, I'm gonna end it right there and show you the Bazaar food. Our hotel with a nice sunset going on session. That's pretty nice. Currently January 12th, 2022, our last day for this Thailand trip. Yeah, we already did our crying. We're probably gonna cry later. So we're just like getting done like packing. But yeah, this trip was a good one. Spending for 2 weeks with the baby girl, now my fiance. This trip was probably one of the best trips I ever had, to be honest. Even probably better than Maldives. But, you know. And then she's putting on makeup right now. Bam. But, you know. Just want to say, if you're watching the vlog, thank you for watching. There's not a lot of people watching, but, you know, I got to start somewhere, right? But, yeah. Blessed to be able to travel. Be healthy, to learn a lot of things, even with so much going on around the world. But you know, one thing that I learned the most was always be happy and be true who you want to be as a person, and you know, try not to please anyone. You know what I'm saying? So, but probably won't be traveling until June. So that being said, probably might have a little client sessions in the future when I come back in the States. I didn't get to swim in this pool, by the way. Oh shit, you can't see that. There you go. This is the view. Yeah, but I'm gonna cut it.